never going to get an answer to the question, why is this happening to me? It's like we've somehow decided that happiness waits at the bottom of our 97 option to-do list, right? Like we somehow think we cross all these things off and then at the bottom we'll be a happy and peaceful person. That's not how it works. The sun will come out tomorrow. But then the phone rings and the email pings and all the things start flying over our head and we're like, oh, I gotta go for that, I gotta get that. And we forget to do the most important things that we could be doing. But you would not believe it. Work is terrible. My children are hooligans. Please send wine. Oh, look at that! Oh my gosh. We love feeling in control. Our brains are wired to equate an increase in control with a better outcome. Life won't be less stressful when you have less to do. Life will be less stressful when you have more focus. So the real question is, are you looking for a solution to your problems or an explanation for your failure? Wherever you are, just stand up. You can take your coffee with you if you have to. I won't make you move. Okay. Now right where you are, just touch something. Not your neighbor. There is one in every group. There might be more than one in this group. Okay. You can put your hands down. Now, touch something else. Okay, you can put your hands down again. Now, raise your hand if you used your hands to touch. Raise your hand. Okay, almost the whole room. Now, you can put your hands down. Very good students. Okay, now, raise your hand if you know that we have nerve endings all over our bodies. Raise your hand. Yeah, you looked very smart. I thought you would know that. So, if we know that we have nerve endings all over our bodies, why did we use our hands only? Habit, right? Yeah, that's the way we've always done it. Oh man, that's the way we've always done it in yourselves. Yeah, but that's what happens is your brain tells your body there is one way to solve this problem. It's right here at the end of your arms. It's the way we've always done it. But your brain is lying to your body. Let's try something else. Let's pretend that you've lost your arms. I've cut them off. I'm really mean sometimes. Okay, you have no arms. Touch something. What did that take you, 0.5 seconds? Okay, what'd you use? Feet, knee, leg, butt. We can say butt in here, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, anything else? Thigh, hip, okay, good. Ear. I was in a room this past week where a gentleman said, my tongue. And I thought, you don't know where that linen has been. Okay, so we all did something different, but you all solved that problem, I would say in less than a second. That's resilience. Resilience is figuring out a new way to behave when the old ways of behaving aren't available to you anymore. It's figuring out a new way to do business when the old ways of doing business don't work anymore. That is all resilience is. And you did it in half a second. We're so quick to judge our stories as good or bad, black and white. We're so quick to judge our stories before they're over. We have this opportunity to find personal power in any situation that we can, even when it seems impossible. Your life story is about how you deal, not what you're dealt.